communicate more. I'll communicate. Have you learned any new Yoruba words this week? Guys, make sure you practice. What would our friend like to learn today?
Hi, Kimunkai. How do you say when in Yoruba?
Báwo Nathaniel.
There are different ways to ask when in Yoruba. The first one is Nibawo or Ibawo. This is used when asking a question. So for example, you can say Nibawo ni emade or Ibawo ni emade. This means when will you arrive? Let's say it again. Nibawo ni emade.
Another way of saying when is Ibati or Nibati. This is used when you are making a statement like Nibati mo wa lomode. This means when I was a child. Let's say it again. Nibati mo wa lomode.
You can also use the word ti to say when. For example, ti mo ba sere tan mo fe jẹun. This means when I finish playing, I want to eat. Let's say it together. Ti mo ba sere tan mo fe jẹun.
Now you practice using these question words in Yoruba.
It's quiz time! Fastest single buzzer! Let's go!
Jotia,
Lenny!
how do you say, when will you come in Yoruba? Kemo?
Nibawo ni emawa.
Correct! Oba! Question 2. How do you say, when I've eaten? Kemo?
Tibati jẹun.
Correct! Oba! Question 3. How do you say, I'll come when I finished playing? Kai?
Mo ma wá tí n bá ti ṣeré tán.
Correct! Oba!
Yay!
Question 4. How do you say, I was happy when Daddy bought me a bike? Kemo?
Inú mi dùn nígbà tí bàbá mi ra kẹ̀kẹ́ fún mi.
Correct! Oba! Question 5. How do you say, I fell down when I ran? Kemo?
Mo ṣubú nígbà tí mo sáré.
Oba! Correct! And the winner is... Kemo!
Yay!
Better luck next time, Kanye.
Guys, you know what time it is. It's time for Honey's Word of the Day. Take it away, Honey.
Hi guys, today's word of the day is owo, and that in English means money.
Oshe, Honey, that was great. Guys, make sure you practice.
It's food time!
Guys, you know what time it is. It's time for Onje Food. Let's find out what we have today.
Iyo, also known as pounded jam with egusi stew and assorted meat. 3 facts about egusi stew. Fact 1. Egusi is the name Nigerians call melon seed. Fact 2. Melon seeds are a popular food crop in Nigeria and other African countries that comes with lots of health benefits. Fact 3. It can be eaten with swallows like eba, amala, semo, iyo, fufu, etc. Are you ready? Yeah! Whoever eats the most food before the timer runs out is the winner. Let's go!
trick question. Kai, no thanks, but I think I won.
Yay!
It's recap time!
Nígbà wo? Ìgbà wo? Ìgbà tí? Nígbà tí? Tí?
That's it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Yoruba Stars.
Join us again next week for another fun episode.
Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe.